Hi, let me show you how easy it is to offer free or discounted gifts to your Shopify store customers. When you apply a discount code, your customer will automatically receive a free gift with their purchase. You can see in the example that multiple free gifts have been added. Let me quickly show you how to set this up. It's very simple and straightforward. First, go to the app, and you'll find the option called Smart Checkout Gifts. Click on it. I already have a couple set up for my test, but I'll walk you through creating a new discount. To start, create a new discount and add a code, let's say ABC or BFCM. Then, search for the items you want to gift. For example, you might want to gift a specific product. You can even add multiple products if you want to offer more than one gift. Next, you can define the discount percentage, let's say 100%, and set any minimum requirements. For instance, you can specify a minimum dollar value or quantity that the customer needs to reach to qualify for the gift. You can also segment your customers if you want to offer the free gift to specific groups, such as VIP customers. Additionally, you can set limits on how many times the discount can be used. Of course, you'll need to set the start and end dates for the promotion as well. Once everything is set up, all you have to do is add the Smart Gift block to your checkout. After that, it will work automatically. And that's it. It's that simple. Thank you.